rooftop.
Good morning, guys. It is Wednesday. It's almost 10 o'clock right now. I made whipped coffee, kind of whipped. Mine comes out different because I only do like half the sugar in the recipe, but yeah, it's yummy. I also don't know what my hair is doing. Today's plan is like every other day in quarantine. I actually do have to go to Target. Hello. Hi. Oh, was I zooming in? Just me and my puppy. All right, we're gonna head to Trader Joe's. Hopefully the line isn't super long because it's been crazy lately. Best thing about having to wear a mask in the stores, I don't have to put that much makeup on. So all I'm wearing is this Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin. I have a little baby size. And then I also just have my mascara on. And we're ready. I really hope the line isn't long because I miss Trader Joe's so much.
So I gotta chill out. I ain't walking around like I'm splurging with a meal now. Just chillin', smoke joints up at Bill's house. Now I got a schedule. Things I gotta do.
There's the stop right there. Because that doesn't look bad.
We started waiting and they don't even sell alcohol. Oh no! My mask! We are back home. Trader Joe's was a fail. Just as busy as I thought, so we didn't go in. We actually went to 2 different ones. I don't think I said it, but that's what I was filming when my mask flew away, that we weren't gonna wait at the one we went to because we learned it didn't serve alcohol. My room is like a little dungeon in here. We were watching Ozarks and then I might have fallen asleep for like 30 minutes. I wanted to go to Target today, but I'm kind of too lazy for that. Hello, good morning. She was just acting crazy. Another day, another great hairdo. This has been happening since like 7:30 in the morning. Why? It's Thursday morning, my camera is dying. Took off my nails last night. They all kept popping off. Couldn't deal with it, so we're going natural. I have boy hands. Today's big plan is to go to Target, seeing as we didn't do that yesterday, and it's also supposed to be raining. Obviously you can see by the sky how cloudy it is, so we might attempt Trader Joe's again. This is basically like my morning routine. I come in here, which is just like a little TV room. I sit here and I just like browse Amazon or watch YouTube videos. I like to do like a quick 10-minute cleanup every morning just so like I don't feel gross and cluttered. So I usually do the dishes because I don't like doing them at night, so I usually do those. I'll like, if my floor is a mess, sweep that. If my table's cluttered, I'll get rid of all that stuff. It just makes me feel better for the day. And then my boyfriend is still sleeping, so that's also why I'm in here. I'm hungry. I don't even know what time it is, probably like 11:30. I usually don't eat breakfast right when I wake up. I think I'm gonna make a bacon, egg, and cheese. I just recently got an air fryer and I'm obsessed with it. We figured out that the air fryer makes bomb bacon, so I'm gonna throw some of that in there. All right, time, 10 minutes, start. All right, I'm doing an egg white. I have a ton of fruit. Usually I don't eat like this much food in the morning, but I've really been craving fruit and I have to get rid of these cuties. I've had them for a while. I'm gonna put some avocado on my sandwich. I'm obsessed with sourdough bread. I had to buy these because they're sourdough English muffins and I've never seen them before. All right, look at this. This is a legit feast, but we're gonna go to Trader Joe's. I don't think Kyle's ever been on the vlog before. Hello, I wasn't vlogging when we started dating, but it's almost 2 years. Crazy.
On top of a ketchup bottle?
I don't know. I don't
Over
have
the
anything
sink?
else. I don't have anything else. That works. We just got back. What? Whoa. I didn't realize that both those bags were all of your beer. Kyle went ham and got 2 full bags of just beer. I didn't know that I thought some of my stuff was in there too. Dang, boy. First thing, cookie butter. I'm gonna melt this and put it over ice cream, and I'm really excited. I haven't had this in a really long time. I also had to get this, which I always get at the checkout. It's like a dark chocolate cookie butter chocolate bar. Some lettuce. I like the spring mix, and then I also got some romaine. Kyle also got these Parmesan crisps to put on a salad. Oh, dang it! What? I wanted to get tequila. I got these mango chunks. They're good on their own. I used to eat these all the time in college. But I also saw Remy put it in like a blender with tequila, and it looked really good. So I wanted to try that, but I forgot tequila. These are like my favorite guilty pleasure, chicken and cheese tamales, so good. I also got ice cream sandwiches. We'll eat these in like 2 sittings. And then I saw these last time I was at Trader Joe's, but I thought, why not? Let's try them out. That's literally all I got. I didn't go crazy grocery shopping because I didn't really need anything, but he wanted to go for beer and he's never really been to Trader Joe's. All I want to do is bake, but I don't eat enough baked goods to like keep up with my baking, so I have like banana bread and brownies that just probably won't get eaten. Alrighty, it is later now. We are cooking some dinner. I went to Whole Foods and I got some crazy steaks just because we wanted to like have a gourmet meal. So these steaks were $30. We also have artichokes. Whoa, artichokes are cooking. I can't lift that, sorry. Scallop potatoes. We're literally, and I was gonna cut it out. Another spider, baby ants crawling. Anyways, we're making dinner super late right now. This has been my tripod recently, and it's super risky because it's kind of want to do a face mask while this cooks because my skin has been so just dull. But I'm also drinking some wine. See, you already ate dinner. Huh, see, I already ate dinner. I don't know if this is supposed to be free, but I asked the butcher guy for garlic herb butter and he didn't charge me. So I'm gonna put this in the pan for like a minute while the steak's finished cooking. That looks so good. The lighting in here makes it look weird, but it doesn't even look like I have a face mask on now. But I do. Look
I paused it.
at how
So we can watch it.
good that looks. I won't get you in it.
Okay.
Kyle's really shy, so he doesn't want to be on camera. What? Well, they're gonna be like, where are you? That is it for the vlog. I did not finish vlogging last night because we were in a food coma. We literally went to bed right after that. We also cooked really late, so that probably was also why we were really tired, but it was so good. So I just wanted to come on and say thank you guys so much for watching. I'm backlit, and I will see you guys in the next vlog. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Bye. Yeah.